S2S Drone Operation Video Tutorial. Remove product accessories in turn. List of product accessories. Prepare before flying. Extend the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on the level ground. Press and hold the switch for 10 seconds to turn on the drone. Expand the remote control. Turn on the remote control switch 8 bars outside the remote control. To calibrate the gyroscope, the drone changes from flat to solid line, indicating that the gyroscope has been successfully calibrated. Press the 1-button take-off button. Drone lock for takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Rotate right. Advance. Back off. Fly on the left. Fly on the right. The default gear drop I put is a low-speed gear. After pressing and holding DD 2 tones on medium gears. After holding down DD 3 times is a high-speed gear. Turn on the drone obstacle avoidance function. The drone turns on omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Press the drone 360° roll button to toggle the right stick. The drone achieves a 360° stunt roll. ESC camera adjustment. Press the one-touch landing button. The drone descends with one click. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual. Download the app from the corresponding system and install turn on Wi-Fi. Connect the signal from the drone. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the drone app. Click the phone to start flying. Remove the old blade screw by unscrewing the old blade screw. Pay attention to distinguish between A and B blades. Tighten the screws and finish. Charging demo. Connect the power supply. The red light is always on when the battery is charging, and the red light is off when the battery is full.